Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how the pseudo-classes work in CSS. A pseudo-class is used to define a special state of an element. You can have an example, the hover and the visited and unvisited links that I showed in the anchor video before. So, selector will be the selector, the element or some other class, column, column. Then you put the pseudo-class, curly brackets, then you put the property that you will, as example, color, font size, background color, column, and the value. The color in itself, like red or blue. Here we go. Don't forget, it was supposed to be inside the style, huh? Don't forget. So here, we just have a CSS links. We are going to make a quick review about the states. The A link is an unvisited link. The A visited, it's a visited link. A mouse over link, it's a over. And the select link, it's inactive. Imagine, unvisited link, the red one, I've never visited it. The A visited, it's the red, I click it, it will become again red. It will not because it doesn't really go to anywhere, understand? Then the over, you put the mouse over, pink. Active, when you click and you don't let the button, it will become blue. Here we go. Now we are going to check this selector. The selector is every highlight class that it's a link, an anchor. On hover, will change color. The first one has the class highlight, the second one doesn't have it, so will only affect the first one. Here we go. Now we are going to change a div on hover. Yes, it works. So, background color, the green, the color of the text white, padding, text align, here the div hover. Every div element on its hover will become blue. So, there we go. So let's go. In the style, let's understand this display of the P will start null because we have a div with some text over me to show the P element. Then the background color we cannot see because the P is not shown, and the padding 20 pixels. Doesn't matter yet because we are only in the div. The only text shown is the div. But then the div hover P, what does that mean? On div hover. So if we hover the div, the only thing changing will be the P. If we had the P, we were changing the div, but we don't want to change the div. We only want to trigger the P using the div. So, when we hover the div, the P display will turn block. Instead of none, it will become block. So, let's see it. Let's see it. Yeah, here, you hover the div. That's a block element. You can also go from there. And here we go. It appears. Now to the first child. In this one you need to have the style in the head. So this can be the first child. If you had the style tag inside the body, the style would be the first child itself. So the first P, first child, will be the color blue. Now let's check it. It's slightly different. The P, I, colon, first child. What does that mean? The first I in every paragraph, the first italic in every paragraph will become blue. So, I'm a strange guy, the first strange will become blue. Now it's slightly different. Instead of having a space and I after the P, we have P, colon, first child, and after everything the I. What does that mean? All the I's on the first child P, what does that mean? The first P, all the i's will be a first child, so they will become blue. So in this video, it's everything. Leave a like, subscribe, hope you learned a little bit of the pseudo classes in CSS, and see you soon.